schedule. We do hope that David gets to see a bit more and enjoys a bit more, not the working part, but gets to see and gets to eat a few more different food. You might want to ask him what type of food, Filipino food he eats, because I was surprised what he's familiar with already.
Okay, I think now you're going to have to tell us, because everyone's just waiting.
So yeah, here are some of the dishes that David has tried.
No, I was telling him about some of the things I'd eaten before, so like just like tokwa baboy and oops, and just like CC, which is good. So that was really yummy as well. And yeah, it was good. So I'm looking forward to just more of the Filipino cuisine as well. So.